Hello my dear students, this is the our exercise 4.3 question number 3. Solve the following equation. Again we have to solve an equation over here. First one is 4 equal to 5 into bracket p minus 2. What we have to do? Yes, we have to separate the variable here. P is as a variable. Okay. So see over here, 4 is equal to 5 into bracket p minus 2. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to separate the variables. Which one is a variable over here? P. Okay. Here 5. It means 5 is related with the p and now it is related with the 2. You know these things very well. Now 4 as it is, what is the relation between the 5 and p minus 2? Yes, multiplication. It means side change, sign change. It will be denominator is equal to p minus 2. Okay, again 4 upon 5. Any cancellation we can do over here? No, we can't do any cancellation. Okay. Now, what is the relation with the p and negative 2? Yes, it is over here. Negative minus, so side change, sign change, it will be plus is equal to p. Now see students over here, one is as a fraction, one is as a whole number. What we have to do? Yes, we have to take the LCM. So here my LCM is equal to 5. So 4 upon 5 as it is 2. We want over here denominator 5. So multiply. You know this rule. We have to changes in denominator and numerator both, and if you are not able to do like this way, then you have to do 2 with the 5 and 5. Okay, denominator nothing is there, it means 1 is there, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. You can do this way also, and if you know, then you can do directly like this way also. Okay. So 4 upon 5 is equal to 2 into bracket 5 upon 5. What we did? This one we take LCM. If you want to write a p front and then you have to write this, then again it's okay. But here it is given right hand side p, so I am writing in right hand side. Okay. So now 4 upon 5 as it is plus as it is 2 5s are 10 upon 5 as it is equal to p. Now 4 plus 10 denominator 5 is equal to p. Therefore 4 plus 10 14 upon 5 is equal to p. So this is our answer, because here we can't do any cancellation and this is not a fraction chapter, so no need to convert as a mixed fraction, and if you are convert as a mixed fraction then it's well and good. Okay, your answer is right only. So this way students, you have to do only one thing. You have to keep in your mind, you have to make the variable separate from the constant. Step by step follow, and you have to be careful regarding this sign. Okay, side change, sign change, then your answer will be never wrong. And see students, if you do the practice, then it's a very easy chapter, and if you skip it, if you take it lightly, then it is a little confusion. And this is a simple equation students. Here in your 7th standard is a simple equation, but in your 8th standard you have to learn with the 2 variables. Okay, whenever over here p given, another here also q, r, whatever another variable also it is given. But if you are clear with this concept, then this one is very easy in 8th standard. But if you are not clear with the simple equation in a 7th standard, then you are not able to solve the sum in your 8th standard. So solve this exercise by yourself. Okay, this one question number 3. Please students, so try to solve by yourself. It's a very easy. Let me do one more thing. Let it be. I will give one more. Which one you want? This one, E1. E is equal to 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into bracket m minus 6. Okay. So what is the value? Here 0 is given. Okay. Now nothing is changed. Side change, sign change. But see students, they having over here which sign? Addition. So first we have to complete this. Direct this one goes to denominator? No, because first and second term having the addition relation. Okay. So here side change, sign change, 16 will go this side. So it is a negative 16 is equal to 4 into bracket m minus 6. If you want to change this one sign, see students, listen properly over here. First method is this one. Okay. If you let it be, first complete with this method and then after I will show you another one. So negative 16 is equal to 4 into bracket m minus 6. So here negative 16 as it is. What is the relation? Yes, multiplication. So it will go down as a denominator, m minus 6 as it is. Now 4 4s are 16, but which? Negative 4. One time negative sign, so our answer in negative is equal to m minus 6. Now negative 4 as it is, side change, sign change, over here subtraction, so it will be 6 plus is equal to m. So here plus minus minus, so 6 and 4, what is the subtraction? 2. Which sign we have to keep? Bigger number is 6, so here positive 2 is equal to m, therefore m is equal to positive 2. Okay, this is the one method. Another one is students, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into bracket m minus 6. Okay, I am just showing you, you will never do like this way. Why? Because here what is the relation? Multiplication. But what is the relation with the 16 and 4 into bracket m? This is our first term students and this is the our second term. This whole as a second term. So if you want to change this one first, side change, sign change, then what will we do? Plus is there. So here negative 4 into bracket m minus 6. Understood? Is equal to 16. Okay. Is that clear student? You have to do like this. Answers are same only. Negative 4 is m minus 6 is equal to 16. Now m minus 6 as it is 16. Now see what is the relation? Here it's the multiplication, so it will goes to denominator with its sign. Okay. Therefore m minus 6 is equal to 4 4s are 16. One time negative, so we have to put a negative sign. Okay. Therefore m is equal to negative 4. Here what is the relation? Subtraction, side change, sign change. Therefore m is equal to plus minus minus, so 2, bigger number, positive. So both the way our answer is same. But you never made this mistake. First one you can't do like this way. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 m minus 6. What is the relation? Multiplication, side change, sign change. 0 by 4 is equal to 0 is equal to 16 plus m minus 6. You can't do like this way. Okay. So this way you have to complete your question number 3. Okay. In your notebook. Thank you.